Welcome to our presentation. Today we're analyzing two examples of an arousing presentation. But first, you mean asking, what is that? Okay, let me explain to you.
But first of all, what is the arousing presentation? The arousal or arousing is a type of presentation that have different purposes. In this case, the purpose in an arousing presentation is to make people think about a certain problem or situation. We want to arouse the audience emotions and intellect so that will be received our point of view. We use vivid languages in an arousing presentation, and we also project sincerity and enthusiasm. In the first video, they talk about animal abuse with the points of abandonment, dogfight, and behavior problems caused by the abuse. They also said that Mexico is the first place of Latin America with the largest population of stray dogs. Also, they talked about the tail docking and ear cropping and how bad it is for the dogs, and that this can be banned and being illegal from other countries, which doesn't happen in Mexico. They also emphasize how the role of being a responsible owner plays an important role in the topic.
We are going through a stage that is becoming bigger and more recognized by organized crime. Unfortunately, the president seeks only power and not happiness, study, and prevent crime. In some parts of the city, they are not in our shoes. They are not only what they say before, they are in the post that is.
Here are some similarities in both videos. First, they tell a story. Without telling us nothing, they show us a problem at the middle or at the end of the video. Also, after the story or at the very end, they call for action through a very big message. The call for action is also clear and immediate. And finally, both are very illustrative. They also have big differences. First, the topic. One talks about the animal abuse, especially in dogs, the other about the corruption, violence, and many situations that happens in Mexico. The message is also different. One is invitation to be a good owner, a charge against animal abuse, and the other was meant for the candidates of 2012 Mexican elections. The media was another big difference. The first one was through internet and the second one for television. Also, a format represents a differentiation. Here, one uses some videos and people in camera, and the other is a small movie with a final message. Finally, the context, both with a big problem, also mentioned in Mexico. Both one is relevant for all the world and the other was relevant for only a region. But what makes them effective? First, the message of the problem. And finally, the call for action at the end of the video and how illustrative they are. Thank you for your attention. That's all for this video. Bye.